Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Bayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a vehicle that we recently imported from Japan. It is a Subaru four-wheel drive mini truck, and this is a 1991 four-wheel drive. The stock number is SB7091, 5-speed with 28,462 miles, and it is $6,800. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. And we'll go ahead and start with the upper cab corner. It looks very good, and the antenna is tucked away there, nice and safe and sound. Coming down the pillar, everything looks straight, and the door is perfectly straight. Not a single dent or ding on the whole door, so that's a good start. It's chalky, but if if you're the kind of person that wants it to look super nice, that'll wax up very nicely. Spend a couple hours waxing your truck, and it'll pop to life, no problem. I do see surface rust here. That's not uncommon. Uh, where the weld from the factory was, that's generally the first place it starts to what I call seam rust, but it's not an issue. Structurally, no big deal. On the bed side, it also gets a grade of perfect. There's not a single dent or ding on the whole side. The tires are very nice. They are winter tires, which have a nice checker tread pattern. So the tires on this truck are exceptional. And you can see here, this one's the same. I dare say the other two will match on the other side. And the wheels look really good too. And here's your fender and your spare. The Subaru frames are always black. Here's the underside of the bed. Looks beautiful. No issues at all as far as rust is concerned. It's just a very clean truck so far. We'll see as we look at the rest of it. And again, where the moving parts are, you have rust. I don't know if you can hear me. I know the wind is very strong. This tailgate is perfect as far as the straightness of the tailgate goes. It looks absolutely perfect. And this is your engine cover. That flips down to expose the engine. Let's go ahead and look at the bed. The bed looks magnificent. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm wondering uh, if there's a big dent on the other side, or if the whole truck is this nice. Let's see. I really don't know. Um, this bedside is absolutely perfect. It looks beautiful. Not a single shopping cart ding. So whoever had this truck took really, really good care of it. They probably parked it away from other vehicles, and it does have seam rust where the weld marks are. You can see they used the headache rack a little bit to lash stuff, but even here, up against the cab, is very, very nice. So the bed is immaculate. There's not a single dent anywhere. This little ear is bent forward a little bit. And again, you got a little rust there. Piece of string here. There's the roof. On the passenger side, we're coming down, and the door panel am happy to say is absolutely perfect. So that is remarkable, people. I haven't seen a single shopping cart ding on the entire truck yet. So that's pretty uncommon because, these trucks are 25, 26, 27 years old. So let's see what this is. That's just adhesive. I thought it might be a crack in the windshield. That's just adhesive. No big deal. Same thing there, just a mark. So the windshield is in very good condition. Let's look at the front. Yep, the front of the vehicle again. So the entire truck, I can say this, it's a very rare occurrence, but the entire truck is completely dent and ding free. So there you go. I don't know why. All of our trucks aren't this nice. Um, and the truck has 28,000 miles and is $6,800. I probably saw this seat, and that's why I made it 6,800. Normally, this truck would be 72, 7,400, but it's because of that. I can assure you, is why it's 68 instead of 72 or 74. Let's look at the interior. The door panel looks good all the way around. No rust at all. Let's take a peek under here. Yep, looks very good. No rust. So the seat is torn up. There's no two ways to put it. It's just in bad shape. But this seat, it looks great. And interestingly, the handle on the passenger door is fabricated, so something happened to the original one, but the door panel itself looks great. And this handle is solid, so it's not like it's going to be a problem. So let's go ahead and start the truck. That light on the dashboard means our brake is on. So we're going to go ahead and put the brake down, and that light will turn off. Now, we're currently in two-wheel drive. Anytime you want to go on the road, you want to make sure you stay in two-wheel drive. To put it in four-wheel drive, you just push this button, and then that light turns on right there, indicating that you're in four-wheel drive. So we're back in two-wheel drive, and this truck has been fully serviced with full synthetic 5W30, and we've replaced the oil filter and air filter and checked all the fluids, and we make sure the truck runs well. If anything's wrong with it, we send it to our mechanic so that he can go ahead and address, whatever's wrong. Also, Mayberry Mini Trucks is solely responsible for these being street legal in North Carolina. So we will provide you with a clear North Carolina title. And if you live out of state, your state may register mini trucks also. But, you just got to do your due diligence and make sure you live in a state where they will register it, unless you're going to be off-road only, or if you can run a farm tag or something like that. So I'm going to take this truck all the way down to the river bottom. Instead of turning around at my usual place. The bed sides are squeaking a little bit. They can be tightened. It's no big deal. You just loosen the hinges. It's two 10mm nuts, and the hinges are slotted, so you can tighten them. It's very easy to do. So now what we're going to do is we're going to climb this hill and see how much power it has. Right now I'm in 4th gear, and I am climbing the hill. The hill's not too steep here. It gets steep up ahead, but it's certainly accelerating very nicely here. But wait till we go around this steep curve, and then it really will put it to the test. Let's go ahead and see how it does after we make this sharp right-hand turn. All right, so we're still in 4th gear, and we're going very slow, probably like 30 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour. And we are accelerating up this hill, and that's a great sign. That means the engine has good compression. And, that's probably the single most important thing, in my opinion, is the engine power. And it's no surprise because it's a low-mile truck. It's got 28,000 miles. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call. Our telephone number is 336-777-9957. Our email address is sales@mayberryminitrucks.com. And our website is mayberryminitrucks.com. Thanks for watching our video.